Hello everyone. So today we are going to talk about this script. It's UpLab digital content download portal. So as you can see, guys, this is the script that you can use to sell digital products. So you can sell this script, allowing you to sell scripts like themes, templates, software, music, videos, photos, PDFs, books, ebooks, whatever. Okay, guys. So the price, as you can see, it's $499 for extended license, but you can get this script from AutoScript Hub, okay? And you can just right here up lab, okay, and click on that, search now, and you will get this script just for $13. So you just click buy now. Clicking buy now, proceed to checkout. When you proceed to checkout, put your email address or whatever email address you want and the password you want, and check out with PayPal, and you can pay the amount. Then you can get the script. So after downloading the script from AutoScript Hub, you will get these files, documentation, files, updates, and yeah, you will get this file zip updates and the documentation. Okay. So let me just talk a little bit about this script. So as you can see, guys, let me just go to the demo. This is the demo. Like you add your categories with subcategories, like software subcategories, music, games. You can add ebooks, whatever you want. So you can add some sponsor like a product, as you can see. So this is the best thing. You can sell products, digital products, as well as you can try to affiliate some products from Amazon or whatever other platforms you can use for affiliate. Okay, guys. So for example, we have this digital product, so we sell it. So you can add it, as you can see. We have the upsell product here. We have some description. You can add reviews, descriptions. You can add upsells, and as well as those affiliated products. Okay, so for those people who will download, they should sign in. Like clicking sign in to download, they could just sign in using login with Gmail, or just put in the email and the password, or just create the account here. Okay, so after creating an account for the buyer, he will just download this this script, for example. Then they should pay the amount. Then the digital product is gonna be downloaded for them. Okay. So this is the digital product. This is the script, guys. As you can see, this is the homepage. It's a beautiful and very professional with the footer, and everything is powerful here. So guys, this is the marketplace. You can use it for your own business. So you can try to sell digital products for any category. Okay, guys. So I just installed it for my own domain name. As you can see, here you can find where you can add your affiliated product, and any product you add it, you can add it from here. It's gonna be imported here, and this is for top rated products, and this is if you want to add anything related to your website and some other blogs. Yeah, as you can see. So for example, if you want to go to the admin panel /admin, okay, you can just go through the /admin, as you can see, guys. So you can manage users, like emails, mobiles, products, deposits, sales, whatever. Okay, here you can add categories. For example, I added ebooks, so you can add subcategories from here. As you can see, I have 5 subcategories. We have advertisements. If you want to add advertisements, manage products, you can add products here. Manage users. Okay, you can manage deposits, you can manage tickets, you can manage reports, subscribers, system settings. Okay, if you want to add your own logo and favicon, you can manage SEOs, pages, front end, languages, extensions, CSS, whatever. So the platform is great for you to start digital products business. Okay, guys. Okay, now after downloading the script from AutoScript Hub just for $14, you will get those files and just upload it to your own laptop. So now on this video, we are going to talk about how to install the script step by step using Hostinger. Okay, guys. So stay tuned with me, and we are going to talk about step by step how to install it and start your own digital product business. Okay. So guys, here in Hostinger, so I'm gonna use a Hostinger to like to start like installing this script. Okay, so this is my domain name on Hostinger. By the way, guys, if you don't have hosting or domain name, please start with Hostinger. It's very easy and you can install your script easily. Okay, if you don't have an account, I will put the link below. Like, click on that and create your Hostinger account. It's very easy, and you will just take from that link, you will get 20% discount. Okay, so it's better for you to start this business. So just click the domain name, as you can see, guys. So the domain is not working because there's no folders and files here in this domain. So we're gonna try to install the script on this domain name. Okay, so the first thing that you should do, guys, is that click on File Manager. So here you can upload the files that you just uploaded from downloaded from AutoScript Hub. Okay, so go to public HTML, and this is the zip file. So this zip file, you will get it from here. So I just extract. You will get this from AutoScript Hub. After extracting, you will get this file zip updates and documentation. Okay, so now I will take this file zip into my Hostinger. So here it is, guys. Okay, the second thing that you should do, click on right click, like click extract, right here, dot, and click on extract. So a folder is going to be extracted inside public HTML. So go inside of it and select everything. Click on this icon that means move file. Click here and click move. Okay, go through this folder file and delete it. Great. Now what we have to do is that go to databases and create a database. So name it whatever you want. Okay, just whatever name you want. So, and pass the password that you like for your database, and click create. So the database, it's going to be created. Nice, the database is created. Now what we have to do is we're gonna try to go through the domain name to see what's going on. Click on that. Now it will show us the installation. So just click on I agree, next step. Now what we have to do is we have to give some permissions. So the first permission is core bootstrap cache. So go to public HTML, go to core, go to bootstrap, click on cache, right click, permissions, checking this to give it 775 permission. Update. Now it says core storage. Go to core storage. This is storage. Click on that, right click, permissions, 775. Update. It says core storage app. Let me go to core storage and click on app and give it a permissions 775. Great. Go to core storage framework. I'm on core storage, so let's go to framework. I'm sorry, go click on framework, click on permissions, give it a permission. Great. Now core storage logs. Let me go to logs, click on that, permissions, check this, update. So let me check now, right check. So everything is checked and passed. Click on next step. Now this is my domain name, existing database, and go to the database on Hostinger that you just created earlier. So click on databases and just copy this name that you just created for your own database and pass it in here, database name, and database user the same thing. The database, just pass 127.001 and pass your password, and for username pass admin, for example. For password, put admin. As an example, I would put admin. For email address, it's admin@gmail.com. Put those credentials, or you can just put your own credentials. Okay. Now click on install now. So everything is successfully installed. Now click on go to website and activate. Now great, guys, so the website now is activated and installed. So please go to your public HTML and go to public HTML first and click on folder install and delete it. So it's very important. Okay, so then you can try now to sign in for users, sign up, or just click to go through your admin panel. Just click /admin. Now admin and password, it's admin. Okay, username that I just created is admin and password is admin. Login, and now as you can see, we started our own digital products business. From here, just click to visit the website. Here you can like add categories, you will add product, add in your products for affiliates, and yeah, you can start money from this great platform, guys. So thank you so much, guys. So by the way, this is just for digital product. The buyer comes, see the product, buy it, and after like successfully of payment, so the your client will get the digital product from his account. It's going to be downloaded automatically. Okay, so this is just for digital product. It's not for like a physical product. This is for digital product. Okay, guys, so thank you so much, guys, for watching this video. I will put the link for Hostinger account for Hostingers. You can just click on that link and you will get 20% discount. Okay, the second thing is I will put my link to the WhatsApp, so if you have any problem, any question, you can come to my WhatsApp and I can just resolve your problem. And the third link is that link to AutoScript Hub, so you can download the script from there. So thank you so much for watching this video, and have a good day.